Hi there! Welcome to Fun to Fluent English.
Cada etapa é pensada para tornar seu aprendizado ativo e eficaz. Uma primeira audição sem texto, para treinar sua compreensão oral. Uma segunda audição com texto, para associar palavras à pronúncia. Depois a tradução, para garantir que você entenda o significado. Uma última audição e repetição em voz alta, para treinar seu cérebro a falar inglês. Por fim, um pequeno exercício de audição para testar sua compreensão. Vamos lá!
Sorry, I don't understand. Sorry, I don't understand.
Desculpe, não entendo.
Repeat. Sorry, I don't understand. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that.
Desculpe, não entendi.
Repeat. I'm sorry, I didn't understand that. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry, I didn't catch that.
Desculpe, não ouvi direito.
Repeat. Sorry, I didn't catch that. Sorry? Sorry?
Desculpe?
Repeat. Sorry? Pardon? Pardon?
Como?
Repeat. Pardon? Excuse me, what did you say? Excuse me, what did you say?
Com licença, o que você disse?
Repeat. Excuse me, what did you say? Could you repeat that, please? Could you repeat that, please?
Você pode repetir isso, por favor?
Repeat. Could you repeat that, please? Could you say that again, please? Could you say that again, please?
Você pode dizer isso de novo, por favor?
Repeat. Could you say that again, please? Would you mind repeating that? Would you mind repeating that?
Você se importaria de repetir isso?
Repeat. Would you mind repeating that? One more time, please. One more time, please.
Mais uma vez, por favor.
Repeat. One more time, please. What was that? What was that?
O quê? O que você disse?
Repeat. What was that? Could you speak more slowly, please? Could you speak more slowly, please?
Você pode falar mais devagar, por favor?
Repeat. Could you speak more slowly, please? Sorry, that was too fast for me. Sorry, that was too fast for me.
Desculpe, foi muito rápido para mim.
Repeat. Sorry, that was too fast for me. Could you speak up a bit, please? Could you speak up a bit, please?
Você pode falar um pouco mais alto, por favor?
Repeat. Could you speak up a bit, please? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again?
Está um pouco barulhento aqui. Você pode repetir isso?
Repeat. It's a bit noisy here. Could you say that again? I don't know that word. I don't know that word.
Não conheço essa palavra.
Repeat. I don't know that word. What does summarize mean? What does summarize mean?
O que significa summarize?
Repeat. What does summarize mean? Sorry, what's summarize? Sorry, what's summarize?
Desculpe, o que é summarize?
Repeat. Sorry, what's summarize? Could you say that in simpler words? Could you say that in simpler words?
Você pode dizer isso com palavras mais simples?
Repeat. Could you say that in simpler words? Could you spell that, please? Could you spell that, please?
Você pode soletrar isso, por favor?
Repeat. Could you spell that, please? How do you spell that? How do you spell that?
Como se escreve isso?
Repeat. How do you spell that? Could you write it down for me? Could you write it down for me?
Você pode escrever isso para mim?
Repeat. Could you write it down for me? I understood the first part, but not the rest. I understood the first part, but not the rest.
Entendi a primeira parte, mas não o resto.
Repeat. I understood the first part, but not the rest. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? I got most of it, but what does summarize mean?
Entendi quase tudo, mas o que significa summarize?
Repeat. I got most of it, but what does summarize mean? Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word.
Desculpe, entendi tudo menos a última palavra.
Repeat. Sorry, I understood everything, except the last word. Listening challenge. Sorry, I didn't catch that. That was too fast for me. Could you repeat that more slowly, please? Can you type what you just heard? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.